but you'd think that this is more volatile. I don't know. Okay, let's see what the AI said.
Yeah, 'cause I don't. From the visual, it doesn't look like it.
You can definitely look a bit backwards when you see it. The Fibonacci Bollinger Bands are doing exactly what they were told to do, but the secret is in the settings. Here's why bands look like they're getting wider when things seem calm. It has a longer memory. Oh, the length is set to 200. Oh, interesting. These indicators look in the last 200 days. If Bitcoin had a huge wild move a month or two ago, the craziness is still being counted in the math today. That makes sense. Even if the price is moving sideways right now, the indicator still remembers the big move from 100 days ago. It doesn't care about direction, standard deviation, only cares about how far the price went from the average. It doesn't care if the price is going up or down. 3, the average is lagging behind. The middle line is volume weighted moving average. Because looking for 200 days, it moves very slowly. If Bitcoin jumps from $400 to $7 quickly, the middle line will stay down near 500 for a long time. Since the bands are measured in distance from that middle line, the gap between, oh, that makes sense. Okay. Is this a good indicator? It's actually a very popular way to find overbought or oversold levels in long time frames. When the price gets way outside of those red or green lines, it means that the move is getting exhausted. Would you like me to build a strategy using these bands? Cool. What do you guys think? I always say,
You kind
make a
of threw me
strategy
off
that
now
trades
that I know what's going on.
Bitcoin. What was that?
I think kind of threw me off now that I know what's going on. The way
Yeah,
I
I
was
threw you
thinking,
off.
yeah, mathematically it threw me off. 'Cause I was
So you're
thinking,
thinking something different, huh?
yeah, I was thinking if it was getting closer, we could use the ratio which gets them closer to do a buy point. But now that I know what's doing, it's a little bit threw me off on that one.
Okay. Well, whatever. Let's run it. Let's see what happens.
Let's roll with it.
Roll the dice. Why don't we make a few? I'm actually kind of interested in just making a couple of them. A part of me really wants to do the Lux algo stuff just because it's
Yeah,
so
me too.
popular, you know?
I did Luxago for I think about a year. They're all right. They're not that bad. I mean, they go with the moving average, moving flow onto it, and they'll do their buy and sell. Yeah,
Oh, wait, which one is this? This is Super Trend, actually.
yeah. But Luxago does similar until you want to buy and sell
Yeah.
at the point.
This actually looks pretty damn accurate. Look at this. This is on TQQQ. This is actually pretty bang on. Look at that. It's sold right at the top. Wow. How the hell do they know this? Look at this. It caught like every single drawdown. How the hell? Yeah, this is like the only one that was wrong here.
And if that's right, also you got a little more room down on the downside before it perks up again.
Yeah, this is interesting.
Yeah, but sometimes these things repaint and, it's a hindsight type of
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, Luxago does that too. I noticed that when I follow them.
Yeah, I would agree with you. However, the super trend, when you look at it, it was made for Bitcoin. And I'm doing this on TQQQ.
Oh, right.
So I don't think there's much bias here. Like I'm shocked at how well it's doing this for TQQQ, given the fact that it seems like a Bitcoin trading algorithm.
Yeah, it does. That's actually okay. Then you got me more convinced.
Yeah, look at this. It caught like this.
That's
Like,
pretty
look at
good
this.
then.
Caught it
Huh?
right before the big drop. That's
Yeah.
wild. So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments. So I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.